Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Welcome to another video. In this video, you will learn how to accept website URLs and contact forms in WordPress. So let's get started. Before getting started, ensure that you successfully install and activate the Formidable form plugin. Now, for this functionality to work, all you need to do is click on this Formidable tab here in the sidebar. Now, here you can either create a new form or add it to an existing form. In my case, I will add this functionality to an existing form, so I will simply click on respective edit button. You can add or customize field as per your requirement here. To accept website URLs, all you need to do is search for it under fields given over here. Now, simply drag and drop this field to the builder area to add the same to the form. To configure field settings, simply click on the respective field. Here, you can rename field label, make this field mandatory, it's all up to you. Under Advanced tab, you can see various advanced settings related to the field, which are self-explanatory. You can even set the validation message from here. That's it. Once everything is in place, simply click on Update button. Now, let me show you the preview of this form. You can see here the field in action. Now the users can fill in their website URLs in this field. So this is how easy it's to add website URL field in contact forms in WordPress using Formidable Forms plugin. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.